Today I'm breaking down the ultimate best ways to make money online tier list. From S tier all the way down to F tier. No hype, no fantasy. Just real ranking based on scalability, risk, and long-term income potential. Let's start with S tier. S tier in this best ways to make money online tier list is affiliate marketing and high-income skills. Why? Low startup cost, high scalability, and direct control over income. If you can drive traffic and convert, you can scale. Skills like copywriting, paid ads, AI automation, video editing. These are profit-driving skills. Businesses pay serious money for results. Now A tier. A tier in this best ways to make money online tier list is digital products. Courses, memberships, templates. High margins. Huge leverage. But you need audience trust. Without authority or traffic, it's slow. B tier is e-commerce and dropshipping. Yes, people still make money. But ad costs are higher, competition is brutal. Logistics can break beginners. It's profitable, but riskier. C tier is YouTube AdSense only. If you rely purely on ad revenue, it's slow at the beginning. The algorithm controls your income. However, if paired with affiliate marketing, it moves up fast. D tier is gig platforms and microtasks. Fiverr beginner gigs, surveys, low-pay task apps. It's income, but it's capped. You're trading time directly for small money. And F tier. Anything promising guaranteed passive income with no effort. If someone says set it and forget it, with zero skill, zero traffic, zero work, it belongs at the bottom of this best ways to make money online tier list. Here's the pattern you need to understand. The higher up you go on the best ways to make money online tier list, the more skill and leverage are involved. The lower you go, the more you trade time for small returns. If you want financial freedom, move towards skill-based and scalable models. If you want more breakdowns and deeper strategy beyond this best ways to make money online tier list, subscribe. Let's build income that actually scales.